Hello and welcome back to the desk of the 21st century educator. In today's video, I'll be showing you a completely step-by-step beginner guide on how to add more RAMs to your PC. It doesn't matter if you're using a laptop or a desktop computer. By the end of this video, you will learn how to check RAM compatibility, how to check your current RAM, how to install it properly, and how to confirm if it is working. Don't worry, you don't need to be a computer expert. But before we proceed, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification button. Let's go upgrade your PC. Before we start installing anything, let's understand what RAM actually does. RAM means random access memory. It's a short-term memory for your PC. Think of it as your computer work desk. If your desk is small, your PC struggles to handle many tasks at a time. But if the desk is bigger, your computer can multitask much faster. Adding more RAM helps with faster multitasking, better gaming performance, smoother video editing, faster application switching, less freezing and lag. But keep this in mind, RAM does not magically fix every slow PC. If your computer has an old hard drive or a weak processor, you may still notice some limitations. So, how many RAM should you install? In 2026, 8GB is the minimum sweet spot for most people. But if you game, edit videos, or run heavy software, 16GB is highly recommended. Before buying a new RAM, you must first check what your computer already has. Using Task Manager, right-click your taskbar. Click Task Manager. Go to Performance tab. Select Memory. You will see Total RAM, RAM speed, slots used, DDR type. Using Command Prompt. Open Command Prompt and type. You will see your RAM capacity and speed. You must know that all RAMs don't work with every PC. DDR3 is not the same as DDR4. It's not also the same as DDR5. Your RAM type must be supported by your motherboard. That is, if your motherboard supports DDR4, you cannot install DDR5. They won't fit. Here are some important things to check. RAM type, RAM speed, laptop or desktop RAM, maximum support capacity, number of RAM slots. Note that desktop RAM is not same size with laptop. To change or add more RAM to your PC, you will need compatible RAM, screwdriver, clean workspace, anti-static precaution. Static electricity can damage computer parts, so before touching anything, touch a metal object first to discharge static. Let's look at how to install RAM in a desktop computer. First, power off the computer. Never install RAM when the power is connected. Open the case. Remove side panel carefully. Locate the RAM slots near the CPU cooler. If you are replacing the RAM, push down the clips on both sides. The RAM stick will pop up. Notice the small notch on the RAM stick. Match it with the slot. Then press firmly until both clips snap into place. Put the side panel back on. Reconnect power. Turn on PC. How to install RAM into a laptop. Laptop upgrades are slightly different, but still beginner friendly. Turn off the laptop. Remove the battery if it's removable. Open the back panel. You will see RAM sticks inserted at an angle. Slide the RAM at an about 40 degrees angle. Press it down until the clips lock. Close laptop and tighten the screws. Power laptop on. Now, let's confirm if the upgrade worked. Click on Task Manager. Click Performance. Click Memory. If Windows shows the new RAM capacity, congratulations, you've successfully upgraded your PC. Let's look at some common problems and how to fix them. 1. PC won't turn on. This usually means that the RAM isn't seated properly. Turn off the PC and reset the RAM. 2. Only half the RAM shows. This means that one RAM stick may not be fully connected, or your motherboard may not support the capacity. 3. Beeping sound. Repeated beeping often signals RAM issues. Check RAM compatibility and reinstall carefully. 4. Random crashes. Mixing different RAM speeds or brands can sometimes cause instability. For best results, use matching RAM kits. Let's test the performance difference. Notice how much smooth everything feels. More RAM gives your PC more breathing room. If you really want a fast computer, pair your RAM upgrade with an SSD. Check our previous video on how to upgrade your PC from an HDD to an SSD. These upgrades together can make an old PC feel brand new. You now know how to safely add more RAM to your PC like a pro. If this video helped you, like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Tell me in the comments how many RAMs your computer currently have and what upgrade you are planning next. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in our next video.